Excuse me?
Ma'am?
Do you work here?
Yes, ma'am.
As what?
I am a management trainee here, ma'am.
Which department?
Finance department po.
So, as management trainee, how can you afford clothes that are 5 times worth your monthly salary?
Ma'am?
Tagalogin ko, bilang management trainee, paano ka nakakabili ng damit na mas mahal ng 5 beses sa sweldo mo sa isang buwan?
Kini-credit card ko po, ma'am.
You are fired.
Ma'am?
I don't need a future finance officer who spends beyond her means.
Ma'am, huhubarin ko na lang po, ma'am. Huwag niyo lang po ako sisantihin. Celine, dali! Halika dito! Pakibukas yung zipper ko, dali! Ma'am! Dali, dali! Ma'am!